subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new F-series phone in India called Galaxy F13, and it is similar to earlier launched Galaxy M13 smartphone with some minor changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy F13 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by Exynos 850 chipset paired with Mali G52 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy F13 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view, and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI Core 4.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.4 by 76.9 by 9.3mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy F13 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 11,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from June 29th in night sky green, sunrise copper, and waterfall blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy F13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.